Hello, hello. Welcome back to MR English Diaries. I'm James.
And I'm Olivia. We're so happy you're here with us today.
I have a question for you. Sometimes when I listen to our wonderful learners, their English is perfect. The grammar is perfect, the words are perfect, but it can sound a little bit like a robot.
Oh, James, that's so true. And it's not their fault. They learn from amazing textbooks, but real, everyday English is different. It's more relaxed. It has its own music.
Yes, the music of English. Today, we are going to learn that music. We're going to share 5 super simple tricks to make your English sound more natural, more friendly, and less like a textbook.
Exactly. This lesson is for everyone who wants to move from textbook correct to conversation comfortable. Let's learn the secret shortcuts together.
How to sound more natural in English. 5 simple tricks. So where do we start, Olivia? What's trick number 1?
Okay, trick number 1 is the king of natural English. It's using contractions. Now, what is a contraction, James?
Let me think. It's when we make 2 words shorter, like do not becomes don't.
Perfect. Do not is formal. Don't is natural. I am becomes I'm. You are becomes your. She will becomes she'll. We use them all the time.
Can you give us a real example?
Of course. Textbook, I cannot find my keys. Where are they? Natural, I can't find my keys. Where are they? Hear the difference? Cannot to can't is quicker, smoother.
I love it. So instead of I will see you later, we say,
I'll see you later. Much better. Your turn, listeners. Repeat after me. I'll see you later. Good.
fantastic. Okay, trick number 2. I use this one all the time. Olivia, sometimes I need a second to think when I talk. What do I say?
You say things like, well, or you know. These are our second trick, filler words, and they're not bad.
Really? My teacher always told me not to say.
In a speech, maybe, but in a friendly chat, they are very natural. They show you are thinking. They give you time. For example, so, what did you do yesterday? Well, I went to the park. Or, that movie was, really interesting.
Oh, I see. So instead of being silent, we can use a small sound. Let me think. I like pizza.
That's a great example, James. It sounds so much more relaxed. So don't be afraid of well, or Use them a little.
Amazing. What's the next secret, Olivia?
Trick number 3 is about listening. In natural English, we don't say every word separately. We connect them. This is connected speech. A very common connection is with the word you.
How does it work?
Okay, let's take a question. Could you help me? In fast, natural speech, we often say, could you help me? Did you becomes didya. What are you becomes whatcha.
Whoa, what you doing? Like that?
Exactly like that. What you doing? It's not what are you doing? It flows. Try it, everyone. Say, what you doing? Feels different, right?
It does. It's like a dance for your mouth. Okay, next trick?
Trick number 4 is one of my favorites. We use short, common phrases instead of longer, more formal sentences. Let me tell a short story. Yesterday, I was in a cafe. I wanted the menu. I didn't say, excuse me, would you be so kind as to provide me with a menu?
No, you didn't.
No, I said, could I have the menu, please? Simple, direct, natural.
Could I have the menu, please? Other examples, instead of I agree with you, we often say I think so too, or just me too. Instead of that is not a problem, we say no problem, or sure thing. Oh, I like that. No problem. It's so easy. So use the short, common phrases you hear all the time.
Yes, which brings us to our last trick, number 5. This is the magic trick. Listen and copy.
Copy? Like a parrot?
Yes, like a friendly, smart parrot. When you watch a movie or a YouTube video, listen carefully. How do the people say hello? How do they ask a small question? And then try to say it exactly the same way. Copy their rhythm, their sound.
So if I hear someone in a video say, "Hey, what's up?" I can practice saying, "Hey, what's up?" with the same feeling.
Perfect. You are learning the music directly from the singers.
These tricks are fantastic. Let's do a quick practice together right now for our listeners.
Great idea. Listeners, this is your turn. We'll say a textbook sentence, and then we'll say the natural version. You repeat the natural version after us. Ready?
First, I am going to the store. Natural, I'm going to the store. Your turn.
Next, do you want some coffee? Natural, do you want some coffee? Or, want some coffee? Your turn.
One more. That is a good idea. Natural, that's a good idea. Your turn.
Wonderful, you're doing it.
So let's remember our 5 simple tricks to sound more natural in English. 1. Use contractions. 2. Use a few filler words. 3. Connect your words. 4. Use short common phrases. And 5. Listen and copy.
Don't try to use all of them at once. Just pick one trick today. Maybe just try to use I'm instead of I am. Small steps make a big natural difference.
We believe in you. Now we have a question for you. It's your homework.
In the comments below, try to use a contraction. Tell us, what's your favorite food? Write, it's pizza, or it's chicken. Just practice it's. We will read every comment.
And if you liked learning these natural shortcuts with us, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps so much.
And subscribe to MR English Diaries for more easy, friendly English lessons every week. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss anything.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. Keep practicing and remember, have fun with it.
Bye for now.
Bye.